Oh shit, it's already night. It's been.
Holy fuck.
Shit, maybe I should lower the speed. Oh my god! Yo, what the f— You're running outside the car. Are they all real? Oh my god. Hey, you know what? Wanna grab and dip?
Sure.
Oh.
Did he just fall? What the f—
Oh, that solved it.
Player standing.
Dog.
Now I think it's too late. Dude, I have no idea what's happening in this game.
Like that?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, close the door! Oh my god, that's going to the clip folder. Holy moly. Oh my god!
Yo, thank you. I lowered them so much. Yo, what the fuck?
I didn't do crime. Hey there.
They don't throw stuff like that. What are you, some crazy monkey?
Hey.
Oh my god.
Speaking of creatures born in our rainforest, atop the Hallelujah tree stump, a tiny head peeked.
Wow.
No hablo español.
Wait.
Ya no sabe. It was a friend that we made.
Just like a normal attacking.
That does not matter. We're cheering, right?
Last
No.
player standing.
I thought you some gangster, yeah.
No, this wasted fast forward.
No, I swear to God, I thought you
Sorry,
some gangster.
Yeah, so we. You just said the same thing twice and said one would be better. This guy's like actually tripping.
Find you. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
My ultimate's ready.
That was such a lame change here,
Come
though.
on, let's go! Watch your eyes! Careful now.
That's crazy.
My money down.
My glizzy in the window.
You go.
Dude,
Why are we like
Why does
children?
this one have some give to it? The other one was like stiff.
Oh.
Oh shit.
One enemy remaining.
He's gonna get one tap. And I hit him with this, and I hit him with this.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, Dubs, that was good.
One up.
I might genuinely give.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, Dubs, that was good.
Yeah, that was actually like a normal ass clip.
I might genuinely give.
What was he gonna say?
I'm gonna giggle.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, Dubs, that was good.
One up.
I might genuinely give.
What was he gonna say?
You clipped that the wrong moment.
There's some bullets.
Epic death incoming.
I'm turning it all the way up. It's going all the way up. And if I get too many kills, it's going down. It's like a reward. If I do shit enough at the game, I'll have my mommy convert me. That is for real.
I can't believe my fucking ears right now, man. Genuinely cannot believe my ears. Yo, what up, my skibbity sigmas? In today's video, we're gonna go in and get touched. Absolute.
Oh my god,
Oh.
boner! Sorry. Alive.
Oh my god. He's alive.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god. That was awesome.
Hey man. I'm gonna touch you instead. We can talk about this. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Too close for comfort, man. Personal space. Personal space.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
Get off. Hey, way too close. Whoa. Don't you guys love it when you can crash Discord with how fast you clicked? My PC.
Oh, absolutely. Check this out. Oh my fucking god.
Oh! Do you want some gum?
Oh. Dude, my ceiling fan is acting up.
To do that safe, to build those truly strong communities.
Holy fuck, was that me or was that you?
That was me.
That was a pretty strong burp, bro. Flip it. You should have like a burp clip compilation, and it's just you fucking burping. So. These
Sorry.
On the board.
I already used 20. I give them. We can do about that. My fucking monster.
I'm just playing comp to try and hit my boyfriend's rank.
Ew. Don't ever do that.
Yeah, hold still real quick.
Bombo